Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna re-unbox this baby Insensa. So I received this one 2 days ago, and it's not that I expected, and I don't like it, and some of the part is it's not attached it good. It take off, so I decided to return it and buy a new one.
So I have to put this one in the box, so I need to take it off all and put it in the box. So yeah, and then shop again for a new one.
So I'm finished taking all in apart. So I need to put it back the screw, secure the screw. I have 4 screws here. I still have the bag of the screw, so I will just put it back here. It's 4 screws. I'm just gonna put a tape, so make sure that the screw is not, you're not gonna miss or drop something. So I'm just gonna put a tape on it. Just tape the screw. See, secure the screw. So here's the motor.
So we call already the UPS, and they will come tomorrow to pick this up. And they have also the return slip, so we don't really need to do anything, just leave this one outside. So if either we're not home, they just pick it up and take it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay safe.